Hello everyone, welcome to Siggy Cooks. If you're looking for a different chutney recipe for idli, dosa and rice, then you must try this simple to make but super tasty mint chutney. Take quarter cup grated coconut, half cup mint leaves, required number of red chilies, 1 tablespoon urad dal, required salt, small piece of ginger and a small piece of tamarind. In a cooking pan, add 1 tablespoon sesame oil. Once oil turns hot, add urad dal and quickly saute until dal changes color. Add ginger, tamarind and red chilies. Saute until ginger and tamarind turns crisp and red chilies are well roasted. Now add mint leaves and saute for a few minutes. If you prefer, you can also add some coriander leaves and curry leaves. Now switch off flame and add grated coconut. Mix well. The coconut will get slightly toasted in the heat of the pan. Add required salt and mix well. Grind them smooth, adding very little water. To prepare tempering, you need 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, few curry leaves and quarter teaspoon asafoetida. Now add the tempering to the prepared chutney. And your super tasty mint chutney is now ready. I hope you give this recipe a try and don't forget to share your feedbacks in the comment section below. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to stay updated with all my future video uploads. See you very soon in another interesting recipe. Until then, happy cooking and stay healthy.